सीजन 2 को स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय अमूल के इस असली दंगल में अब मुकाबला है महिलाओं के 75 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती का। देवियों सज्जनों, सुल्तान्स की ओर से आ रही हैं यूक्रेन मूल की अलीना मखीना। Patanjali Power Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2 को स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय अमूल के इस दंगल में अब आ रही हैं निंजास की ओर से स्वीडन की जेनी फ्रांसन।
Yes, she was totally relaxed yesterday in the cup because her opponent today is Alina Machina of Ukraine, the 25-year-old in the women's 75 kg category. In the Olympic qualification tournament, she had a bronze as well, did Machina. But Jenny Fransson of Sweden, the 29-year-old, very experienced campaigner, bronze medalist at the Rio Olympics in 2016. Had her first stint in the commentary box a couple of days ago. And she said she's a lot more relaxed here than she is on the mat. Of course, we're ready for this bout. Virinder Malik is the referee of this contest. I'm Raman Banot. With me is Ajay Mehra.
Thanks, Raman. Yes, Virinder Malik signaling that it's all in readiness now. This is going with the commencement of round one. Jenny Fransson, you rightly mentioned, she was so relaxed. But she did mention that when she walks in, she has to be totally focused. And this format, this sport goes on so fast, you don't know when 3 minutes are finished as far as round one is concerned. But she's got all the experience behind a bronze medal in the Olympic Games just recently, 5 months back. And the tie score in favor of Jaipur so far. So this is going to be very, very imperative for Delhi Sultans to win up this bout if they have to come back.
I thought they did a fantastic block, did Jaipur. Here, Jenny Fransson manages to push Alina out, so she scored the first point.
And Raman, this is just par. Just see the upper body strength. This is just fantastic from Jenny Fransson. Just pushing her. This is the strength she's got. And that's the reason she got a medal just recently in the Olympics.
Yes, won the bronze there. Tell you what, she's also realized the nature of the mat today. It's a little slippery. It's difficult to get a perfect hold on the mat today. And that's the reason why Fransson just adjusting her style of play according to the surface that she's grappling on today.
But you know, you can see that upper body, how low she stays up. She's always looking to attack. That is exactly what she did mention when she was here a couple of days back with us in the commentator box. That you have to be aggressive, especially in round one. That exactly what she was looking for, the single leg tackle. Couldn't get that hold. And yes, that could be a couple of points for her. Takedown for Jenny Fransson. She's got a healthy lead. And just see that control she's generating out there.
Oh yes, the Swede now looking to flip her opponent over to get more points. She's leading 3-0 at the moment. Dogged defense by Alina. And she holds on. Good to see fans, both young and not so young, watching grappling action.
I think they are the future stars. They want to be grapplers, and everybody wants to emulate people like Yogeshwar Das, Sakshi, what they have done at the Olympics. Now this is a big sport in India, the medal sport as you can call it, wrestling.
And don't forget the exploits of the two-time Olympic medal winner Sushil Kumar as well. You go way back and you've got to look back at India's Olympic history and you'll find a KD Jadhav winning an Olympic bronze way back. But from then on, I think this is a new era with Sushil, Yogeshwar, now Sakshi, heralding a lot of grapplers taking to the sport.
You know, when we were young, now he was a legend. And you rightly mentioned KT Jadhav did a wonderful job at the Olympics as well.
In whose name the stadium is named, remember? For the moment, 3-0 the lead for Jenny Frandsen. And just about 25 seconds, just under 25 seconds left in this opening round of this bout.
Well, I think Jenny has really pushed her opponent. She's got those important points. She's got that lead. Not much time left now in round one. But she's looking very, very decisive. She's got that control. Just see that upper body strength she generates so well and staying very low. That could be the end now of round one. Really, this is going to be a very decisive bout as far as the Jaipur Ninjas are concerned, because they are leading at the moment 2-1.
Yes, and the bout score at the end of the opening round is 3-0 in favor of Jenny Frandsen. There's still one more round left in this bout. Stay with us, we'll return. It's almost a full house, and they're enjoying wrestling action in the Patanjali Power Vita Pro Wrestling League Season 2, co-sponsored by Amul. The tie score is 2-1 in favor of Jaipur, and it could very well become 3-1 at the end of this bout, because after round one, Jenny Frandsen of Jaipur is leading her bout against Alina by 3-0.
Yeah, I think Alina has to now make amends. She's from Ukraine. She's got some experience. Remember, this is a 75 kg category for women, and it's going to be very imperative for her that she gains those initial points in round two. And that's exactly what a coach would have told her. It's all in readiness now. But Jenny has been spot on. She's got that decisive lead, leading 3-0.
Something different. That's what she's got to try and do, Alina. Yes, goes for that single leg hold. But Jenny Frandsen is so quick to turn things around. Gets behind her opponent, gets 2 points. They say offense is the best form of defense, and that's exactly what Frandsen's showing to us today.
Yeah, that's the power grip, and that's a great maneuver by her. Still in very good control. Getting that takedown. The tie score, remember, in favor of Jaipur Ninja so far. They're leading 2-1. But this is a very good atmosphere as well here at the IGA Stadium. Lovely facilities, great atmosphere. Brilliant league for all the grapplers all around the world.
And today we've seen a very good turnout, Ajay, and that's because I think everyone wanted to see the Olympic medalist Sakshi Malik in action, and she will be competing in a bit. Remember, hers is the 6th bout of the day. It's going to come up after a couple of bouts now.
Yeah, surely she's a big crowd puller, no doubt about that. And remember, 19 Olympians are participating in this league. 11 medalists from Rio Olympics. So that really tells the story.
And I think another big draw today. The crowd expected Ritu Fogart to be the other cynosure of all eyes. I think she was the highest paid Indian women's grappler in this season at the auctions. Went for some 36 lakhs is what she was bought for.
Yeah, even Jenny Frandsen, who's at the moment in that playing that bout, was sold for 25 lakhs. So some she's got in this season in the Pro Wrestling League.
This, remember, is the women's 75 kg category. So the heaviest weight category in the women's draw is what we're seeing today in action in the Pro Wrestling League. Frandsen, comfortable 5-0 lead, and she's more than comfortable letting the clock wind down. About a minute to go, and she'd be happy if the scoreline stays the same.
Yeah, you know, the first bout I remember that Jenny played was a very close one. That was a very close affair. But this has been very, very comprehensive from her. Really no problems. Lena always has been on the back foot. She's been struggling. She's been always in control, Jenny Frandsen.
Yes, the first bout that she had, she won it 3-2, a very narrow win over Vasilisa. But today, it looks a lot more comfortable. And this could give a very sizable lead to the Jaipur side. They're already 2-1 up in the tie. They could go 3-1 up now.
Don't expect a miracle here because it's all done and dusted. Time is running away. Less than 30 seconds left. Just see now a bit defensive as well, Jenny. That's the experience she's got. She's been at the circuit for a long, long time. Also in 2012 in World Championship, she won a gold. We were mentioning about the Rio Olympics, getting a bronze out there.
Yes, 29 years old, and Yes, she's been there, done that. Very focused. That's how she said she prepares for her bout. Just completely blanks everything else out. And for the moment, she's blanked out her opponent. Not allowed her to score at all. Jenny Franson gets the better of Alina Makhinya of Ukraine and wins it 5-0 on points.
And remember, the important thing for Jaipur Ninjas, they've got a healthy lead now. Jenny Franson now winning this bout. She's done really well. This has been comprehensive, very decisive from her. Very strong in her upper body, winning 5-0 against Alina, who couldn't do much. Alina from Ukraine and Jenny Franson from Sweden. And she's won by the points difference.
Let's take a look at the highlights of this